So we're here to look at the John Stewart's early Transcendentals, section 1.1, question number 18. Basically, the question is asking about the value of a car as a function of time, and you basically have to think about what happens to a car. There's no joke that says the moment you buy a car, it's worth half the money when you drive it off the lot. And the reason why is because when anybody thinks about a used car, they always think about who used to own it. They pretty much want that brand new shiny car that's going to come off the lot, and they don't want one that somebody's been using for a couple years, they've been eating in, they've been abusing. So really, right off the bat, you'll see a huge drop in the price. So as you can see in this graph, the price goes from about 100% down to 75% over the first year because your car goes from being new to being used. And then slowly over time, it just gets more and more used and the price kind of slowly drops down. But for maybe like the first 5 to 10 years, you can actually reclaim maybe 3/4 or a half of your value. After that point, though, once it reaches the 10-year mark, everyone kind of knows you're going to need a lot of repairs. It's going to need a lot of love and care, and it's going to start to cost you money. At that point, the value of your car just kind of plummets. And then it stays pretty crappy for the next 10 years. But if you start to reach the 20-year mark, that car might now be a collector. And as a collector, the value starts to slowly creep back up there at the end. Because, I mean, if you look at some cars that are 30 and 40, 50 years old, if they're well maintained, they start to regain some of their original value.